Auto Reviews is in today's special feature. We take you deep inside the futuristic battlefield of 2026, where technology, power and design have merged into one of the most advanced American battle tanks ever created, a machine that symbolizes strength, engineering brilliance and unmatched dominance on land. This is not just a tank, it is a rolling fortress designed for the next generation of warfare, and today we will break down its design, performance, features, interior technology and overall impact in a way that will make you feel like you are standing right in front of it. When we talk about the exterior design, the 2026 American battle tank immediately stands out with its black and dark metallic finish that reflects futuristic stealth aesthetics. The glowing blue LED strips across its armor plates add not only visual intimidation but also advanced visibility markers in night operations, making it a beast that dominates both day and night. From the front you see its angular armor plates layered in a way that deflects enemy rounds, increasing survivability on the battlefield. The massive cannon mounted at the center tells a story of sheer firepower, while additional secondary weapons on top give it an edge against multiple threats. The caterpillar tracks on both sides are reinforced with heavy-duty alloys designed for urban combat as well as rough terrains and deserts, giving this tank the ability to move with power and agility. Now if we shift to the back view, the engine compartment is built like a powerhouse with enhanced cooling vents, multiple exhaust outlets and a futuristic power core system that ensures maximum torque and efficiency. Unlike older generations, this engine is quieter, faster and far more fuel efficient while still providing the raw muscle needed to push this 70-ton beast at impressive speeds. The rear armor plating is thicker and carefully designed to protect against rear ambushes, something that has always been a weak spot in traditional tanks, but here engineers have turned that weakness into strength. As we open the side view, you can truly appreciate the length and sleekness of the body. Its aerodynamic structure may not sound common in tanks, but here it plays a vital role in reducing drag and increasing speed. Every panel has been engineered to add value, whether it is stealth capabilities, radar absorption or thermal resistance, making this tank one of the hardest machines to detect in modern warfare. Moving inside the interior, this is where the magic of 2026 innovation comes alive. Instead of old-school analog controls, the cockpit-like interior is filled with digital holographic displays, touch interfaces and AI-assisted navigation systems. Every soldier inside has access to a personal control module with real-time battlefield data, augmented reality targeting and even biometric health monitors, ensuring that the crew operates at maximum efficiency and safety. The seats are fully armored, cushioned and designed to absorb shock from rough terrains and battle impacts, making long operations more sustainable and less exhausting. The targeting system itself is beyond advanced, equipped with AI-guided auto-lock, smart missiles and even drone coordination technology. The commander can deploy mini drones directly from the tank to scout the battlefield, giving real-time feedback on enemy positions, threats and environmental data. This turns the tank into not just a combat vehicle but also a mobile command center. When we talk about the engine performance, it is powered by a hybrid fusion diesel system, something revolutionary for heavy military vehicles. This allows it to generate massive horsepower while keeping emissions surprisingly low. The power delivery is smooth and the acceleration is jaw-dropping for a vehicle of its size, reaching speeds of up to 75 kilometers per hour on rough terrain and over 100 kilometers per hour on roads, making it one of the fastest tanks of its era. Another highlight is the suspension system, which has been engineered using adaptive hydraulic technology, meaning the tank can adjust its ride height and stiffness according to terrain conditions, allowing smoother rides over rocky landscapes and increased stability during high-speed chases in urban zones. This advancement gives the crew better comfort and also improves accuracy when firing on the move. Speaking of firepower, the main gun is a 140mm electromagnetic rail cannon capable of penetrating the thickest armor in existence with pinpoint accuracy. It can also fire a range of ammunition types, from explosive rounds to armor-piercing shells and even EMP charges that disable enemy electronics in an instant. Secondary weapons include dual heavy machine guns, automatic grenade launchers and missile pods integrated into the turret, giving the tank a 360-degree defense capability. One of the most groundbreaking features is its AI integration. The onboard AI works alongside the human crew, analyzing data, predicting enemy moves and even suggesting tactical maneuvers in real time. This does not replace the crew but amplifies their efficiency, making decisions faster and more precise than ever before. Communication inside and outside the tank is flawless with encrypted channels, holographic projection systems and long-range satellite links, meaning this vehicle can command an entire unit in battle seamlessly. In terms of safety, the armor uses layered composite materials reinforced with nanotechnology, making it nearly indestructible against conventional shells, while reactive armor plates explode outward to neutralize incoming threats like anti-tank missiles and rocket-propelled grenades. Inside, the crew is protected by blast-proof sealed compartments, fire suppression systems, and emergency medical modules that can stabilize injured soldiers until evacuation support arrives. This is truly a fortress on wheels. But what makes the 2026 American battle tank stand out is not only its combat power but also its adaptability. It is designed to operate in multiple scenarios, from urban environments where precision and agility matter most to open battlefields where speed and firepower dominate, to deserts and mountains where endurance and resilience are tested. This versatility makes it a global standard for modern warfare. Another unique aspect is its energy management system. The hybrid fusion engine is supported by renewable energy cells, allowing the tank to recharge through mobile field stations or even solar-powered units in emergency situations, giving it almost unlimited operational capability. In the field, logistics have been improved drastically with modular design, meaning parts can be swapped or upgraded easily without requiring the entire vehicle to be dismantled. This reduces downtime, increases efficiency, and ensures the tank is always ready for the next mission. The crew comfort is also prioritized. Unlike older tanks, which were cramped and suffocating, the 2026 interior is spacious, climate-controlled, and ergonomically designed for long-duration missions. Psychological stress is reduced with lighting systems that can adapt to the crew's mood or time of day, ensuring focus remains sharp at all times. As we dive deeper into battlefield applications, the tank has been tested in multiple scenarios, simulated wars and urban combat drills, proving its superiority against both traditional armored units and modern robotic threats. It has consistently outperformed competitors in speed, accuracy, endurance, and survival, making it the pride of American defense technology. Auto Reviews. Continuing our deep dive into the 2026 American battle tank, we now focus on the advanced battlefield technologies, the operational advantages, and the futuristic edge that truly make this machine a legend in modern military engineering. The first major advancement lies in its sensor array mounted on multiple parts of the tank. These high-resolution sensors combine infrared, night vision, radar, and lidar to create a complete 360-degree awareness bubble around the vehicle, meaning the crew is never blind even in the most complex weather conditions: sandstorms, snow, blizzards, heavy rain, or total darkness. This tank sees everything. The radar system can track both ground and aerial threats simultaneously, while the lidar provides precise distance measurements that allow the AI-assisted targeting computer to calculate trajectory with surgical precision. This creates an environment where every shot fired is not just powerful but nearly guaranteed to hit its target. Now let's examine electronic warfare capabilities. Unlike previous generations that focused only on physical combat, the 2026 model is equipped with an integrated EMP defense shield that can both resist and emit electromagnetic pulses. The defensive mode ensures that incoming EMP attacks from enemy weapons do not disable the tank's systems, while the offensive mode allows the crew to unleash a localized EMP blast capable of shutting down enemy drones, robots, or even hostile tanks within range, turning the battlefield instantly in its favor. This level of technological dominance adds a new layer to modern combat strategy. Moving on to stealth technology, the tank's black and dark metallic finish is not only aesthetic but is layered with radar-absorbent materials that minimize detection from enemy systems. Thermal emission management ensures that the tank's heat signature is dramatically reduced, making it nearly invisible to heat-seeking missiles or reconnaissance drones. The angular design is optimized for scattering radar waves rather than reflecting them back to the source, further enhancing stealth capabilities. Now, if we focus on mobility, the adaptive track system deserves attention. This system allows the Caterpillar tracks to automatically adjust grip according to terrain, be it mud, sand, rocky hills, or urban roads, giving the vehicle superior traction and speed in all conditions. The self-lubricating system reduces maintenance needs and ensures long lifespan even under extreme battle stress. This tank can climb steeper angles, cross water obstacles, and maneuver through tight spaces with far greater ease than any previous generation competitor, making it a true all-terrain monster. The fuel efficiency combined with hybrid fusion power means that range is no longer a major limitation. This tank can travel significantly longer distances without requiring refuel, giving troops greater operational independence in prolonged missions. Let's move to battlefield communication and networking. The tank operates like a mobile command hub connected to satellites, drones, and ground units via encrypted high-speed channels. Commanders inside can coordinate airstrikes, infantry support, artillery fire, and even naval units, all from within the tank itself. This level of synchronization ensures seamless combat execution and avoids delays that could cost lives. Furthermore, the holographic projection system inside allows the commander to view the battlefield in a 3D augmented reality display, placing every ally and enemy position in real time. This makes tactical planning faster, clearer, and far more efficient. One of the the standout futuristic elements is the drone integration system built directly into the tank. 2 recon drones are docked within hidden compartments. They can be launched during missions to scout dangerous areas, provide live video feed, and even carry small explosive payloads for tactical strikes, giving the crew eyes in the sky whenever needed. This makes the 2026 tank more than a vehicle. It is an ecosystem of weapons, intelligence, and technology combined into one unstoppable unit. Now let's discuss crew survivability. The tank interior is equipped with a life support system that regulates oxygen temperature and filtration, ensuring the crew can operate even in chemical or biological warfare environments. The sealed environment prevents contamination, while onboard medical AI monitors each crew member's vital signs, instantly responding with alerts if fatigue or injury is detected. Emergency auto-injectors and nanobot medical packs are available to stabilize injuries until professional evacuation can be arranged, meaning even under fire the crew has a far greater chance of survival. This is not just engineering, this is human-centric military design. When we talk about weapons versatility, the tank does not limit itself to brute force. The electromagnetic rail cannon we mentioned earlier is paired with smart ammunition capable of adapting mid-flight to enemy countermeasures. The missile pods have lock-on and fire and forget capabilities with heat-seeking, armor-piercing, and guided variants available depending on the mission requirement. Even the machine guns are linked with AI-assisted aiming, ensuring maximum accuracy and reduced ammunition wastage. One of the most futuristic concepts tested on this tank is its semi-autonomous mode, meaning the AI can drive, navigate, and even engage threats while the human crew oversees operations. This ensures that in high-risk environments the crew can minimize exposure to danger by letting the AI handle routine combat maneuvers. This semi-autonomous functionality could be the stepping stone to fully autonomous battlefield vehicles in the future, but for now it ensures that human decision-making and machine speed work together in harmony. Looking at global impact, the introduction of the 2026 American Battle Tank has sent ripples through international defense communities. Allies view it as a guarantee of battlefield superiority, while rivals see it as a challenge to match its power and technology. It has already sparked a new arms race where nations are pushing to integrate AI, hybrid engines, and electromagnetic weapons into their own armored units. This tank has become not just a machine but a symbol of next-generation warfare. In terms of durability, field tests have shown the tank can endure continuous fire from heavy-caliber weapons, withstand multiple rocket hits, and still operate with minimal impairment thanks to its layered composite armor and reactive defenses. Maintenance crews have praised its modular structure, which allows damaged sections to be replaced in hours instead of days, meaning this tank spends more time in the field and less time in repair depots. Now let us explore soldier experience. Those who have operated this tank often describe it as surreal. Instead of feeling trapped in a heavy iron box, they feel like pilots inside a futuristic aircraft. The spacious interior, soft blue lighting, and intelligent system feedback create a sense of calm control even in high-pressure battle situations. The voice command integration allows crew to control many systems hands-free, from adjusting navigation to activating weapon modes. This increases speed and reduces errors in critical situations. The psychological impact of commanding such a futuristic beast also boosts morale, giving soldiers a sense of confidence knowing they are protected by one of the strongest machines ever built. Environmentally, this tank sets a precedent. Despite its size and power, it is surprisingly eco-conscious compared to older models with lower emissions, efficient energy management, and even renewable charging capabilities. It represents a shift in defense design, where sustainability and responsibility meet raw military might. This could influence civilian vehicle industries as well, showing how hybrid and fusion technology can be applied on a large scale for efficient transport. Another hidden gem is its cybersecurity infrastructure. Since modern wars are as much digital as they are physical, the tank is armored not only in steel but also in code. It features multiple layers of encryption, AI firewalls, and self-correcting systems that prevent hacking or electronic sabotage from enemies, making it virtually impossible to hijack or disable remotely. This ensures battlefield dominance remains firmly under American control. As we reach the conclusion of this in-depth analysis, the 2026 American Battle Tank is not just a military vehicle, it is the ultimate combination of raw power, cutting-edge technology, futuristic design, crew safety, and environmental responsibility. It redefines what armored warfare means and sets a new global benchmark for decades to come. It is more than a machine, it is a revolution on tracks. It symbolizes dominance, protection, and futuristic warfare strategy that will shape the future battles of the world. Auto Reviews is